first activity or the second one is Hastagati Nadi Dhanurja Yogi Kriya. So for doing this first activity and second activity, continuously we have to close our eyes. Continuously we have to close our eyes. So close your eyes. Close your eyes. Right. Relax. There is no hurry. Simply be in this very moment. Close your eyes. We are moving towards a guided part of meditative activity through yogic techniques. First, Hastagati Nadi Dhanurja Yogi Kriya. Close the eyes. Yes. Now while breathing excessively or creating Bhastrika activity, simply we have to raise this position of the Dhyan Mudra towards upward direction at the top of the head, then coming back to the normal position again. Ready? So start this first activity. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Focus on breathing process. Inhale deeply, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Be in Dhyan Mudra, just trying to cultivate the vital energy force according to Zen monks, an activity of cultivating the Tanden energy, activating of or cultivating of the energy of Hara, according to Chinese monks, cultivating the energy of Qi, yes, Tai Chi, according to Indian yogic science, cultivating the vital Kundalini Urja. While closing the eyes, focusing on breathing process, again the same part. Inhale, while raising the hands, exhale, coming back, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly slow down the process, see the activity, see the body movements, see the sensations, feel the very element of body, breath and mind. Again, inhale, gently and gradually this time, exhale, inhale, exhale, increase the duration, be relaxed, there is no hurry, no speed. Last two times, inhale, exhale, last one. Now relax, focus over breathing process, focus over breathing process. Understand the 5 elements of life or the physical life. Agni, Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, Akash. Understand the 5 elements. Again understand, are there only 5 elements or there are something different elements too? So we can focus or lead our consciousness towards mind, towards intelligence, towards self, mana, buddhi, ahankar, and these 5 elements. So there are total 8 elements. So Indian spirituality called it as Ashtadha, not Panch Mahabhuta, but the Ashtadha. So mind, intelligence and self is more crucial than these 5 physical elements. But these two are equivalent, equally important to create the life. So understand these 8 elements, Mana, Buddhi, Ahankar, and these 5 Panch Mahabhutas. Understand the water in our body. understand the fire, understand the space element, understand the earth element, understand the element of wind, Vayu Tattva. Relax, relax. Last part, Brahma Mudra, Brahmani Dhyanurja Yogic Kriya. While closing the eyes, inhale while chanting Ma. Relax. Last 2 times in continuous manner. First towards right, left, forward and backward direction, bending the neck. Start in a continuous way while closing the eyes. Inhale. Last one with more awareness. Inhale. Relax. Now again the last one, but do it your own, do it by your own. Try to channelize your focus towards inward direction. Last, the same activity of Brahma Mudra, Brahmani Dhyanurja Yogic Kriya. So inhale and extend the breath up to your own individual capacity. So start, inhale. Relax. Simply slow down the activities while closing the eyes, focusing over very process of breathing. Now deep breathing part. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Relax. Focus over breathing process. Focus over the importance of understanding in our life. Focus over the very part of understanding. Think about the understanding. Think about the vantage point of our own life. Think about where we can stop in our life and see in 360 degree towards the life. Yes, we have to stop ourselves and see the surrounding where we are leading our life, or the surrounding is the leading element of our life. Who is the controller? Who is the charioteer of our life? Is mind a tool, or mind is a leader of our own life? Is body is a tool, or body driving us towards the life? We just have to understand, because understanding lead ourselves towards more harmony, to flourish the life at its higher. Yes. Understanding day by day, moment by moment. At the age of 2, we understand very less what we understand today. So understanding is also increasing by its own pace. We just have to flow into the river of understanding. Yes, into the river of understanding. Just keep yourself aside. Don't become the barrier of your own life. Just let the life flow at its own pace towards the divine unknown. Relax. Relax. Shant. Shant. We are growing into the capacity of understanding, moment by moment, day by day. There is no full stop, only the comma. Now we have understand this much. And we are not alone in this journey. There are 7 billion plus people over the planet Earth and around 57 trillion cells in our body. We are not the alone here. So continue this journey with the thought of togetherness. Relax. Shant. Feel the silence. A state of solitude. Relax. Shant. Now slowly, while focusing over breathing process, gently raise your both hands and rub your hands, create some energy gradually while placing both hands or palms over the eyes and simply in between your palms, slowly and gradually open your eyes while taking away your hands down in Dhyan Mudra and sit relaxed, comfortable, be in this very moment. There is no hurry, relax. Relaxation leads our life towards more creativity. So relax. Shah. Now relax. So thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you so much. Thank you friends.